So I'm on my way to Walgreens, and I totally forgot that there was a Dallas Cowboy game today. So traffic is really backed the freak up. As you guys can see, like, the stadium is right there where that billboard is, and so traffic is literally crazy. And now I gotta sit in this shit and wait. Like, it's so annoying. And I'm just trying to get to Walgreens, which is literally right here. Like, oh, Jesus. Okay, and now there must have been some type of accident, because here comes the fire truck. And I don't know what's going on, child. Okay, maybe we can get to where we gotta go. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, y'all, this is Walgreens. I am definitely not getting out and going in there, because they said they tailgating up over here. Like, that's ghetto. Yeah, I gotta find another Walgreens to go to, because okay, y'all, so I found another freaking Walgreens, so let's go in and do what we gotta do. Okay, guys, so it is Monday the 17th, and I'm working, but I just want to let y'all in on something. I have been trying to get a new car for the last month due to an unforeseen circumstance. I ain't really told y'all what's been going on. Still not going to go all the way into details, but just know that I have to get a new car. So this is the car that I am looking at. I've already gotten pre-approved, so I just reserved the car, and I'm gonna go take a test drive and see it this weekend on Saturday. So I'm so excited. It's so pretty. So hey guys, it is Chelsea from the future. Sorry that my voice is a little raspy, but after the previous clip that you guys just saw, CarMax actually called me. They were able to do a hard credit pull, and I got approved. So they set me up with financing, so I already know what my monthly payments are going to be. So Saturday, all I have to do is go pay my money for my down payment and test drive. Okay, so good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, and it's safe to say that I'm sick. So whatever my mother had, she gave it to me, and now my voice sounds like this. I'm congested and stuffy, and I'm having hot flashes, and that is not cool. So I went and got me a hot caramel macchiato from Starbucks to see if that would help my throat, because this is not gonna work out. And I'm not working today. I'm just gonna use today to kind of like rest, put nutrients into my body, fluids, because I gotta be well by Saturday. Because Saturday, I'm getting a new car, and I gotta be on my P's and Q's and feeling my best, okay? So yeah. Whew. Hey y'all, guys, let me tell y'all something. I've been down freaking bad, okay? Y'all haven't seen me since Tuesday because I've been sick as a dog, but I'm back and I'm better. You feel me? Y'all, I feel so much freaking better. My nose is still a little stuffy, but I feel so much better, and I'm so happy that I feel so much better, because what day was that? Wednesday? Yeah, I don't know. I thought I wasn't gonna make it. TBH, I was so sick, but I feel so much better, and I'm so happy. Today is Friday, if I didn't already mention it, and the girl
is at Walmart. I'm waiting on my mom. She's actually in the store. I don't know why I'm so hyped, just because my energy level been so low like the last few days, because I just was like not feeling it. I had bags under my eyes. It was real gross. I was looking real like crusty and dusty. Never dusty, baby. Never. Okay. Y'all get what I'm saying though. So I'm just glad that I'm feeling better. I'm glad that, you know, I'm back and I'm better. And yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all and let y'all know that it's Friday. I got a job, but I ain't got shit to do. No. What is wrong with me? No, but anyways, I got a couple things to do. When I'm gonna drop my mom off at home when she comes out of here, and I need to go to Target. And I don't know, like I don't need to go to Target, but I do. Like, I want to find some stockings out of Target, because I have an appointment on Monday, a very important appointment, and I want to look very professional, give very much that girl. So, and I want to wear some stockings, so I need to find some stockings. And what else do I need? And I know I need some socks for sure. Need some new socks. And whatever else I can find, child. So we're going to Target. And then I've been wanting Chipotle like this whole week. I've been sick, and I just like, every time I have a bad cold, I never can taste the food. So I don't even know if I can taste it today, but I want Chipotle. So we're probably gonna get Chipotle after we leave Target. And yeah, that's gonna be that. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Okay, y'all, every time I come in Target, you know you gotta stop by the dollar section. These little Blu-ray glasses are so cute. They got them in this print too. Super cute. And they're like $3. So I might get me some. Oh, these are cute. Now for what I actually came in here for. So I'm picking up some Proactive for my sister. My mom texted me and said she was out, so I'm grabbing this. Jamal sent me a picture of this eye repair cream for like dark circles. He sent me this and he got this yesterday, but I'm trying to get me some and I don't see it, y'all, unless I'm overlooking it. Now, I slipped over to the clothing section, and Target is trying to take all the girls' money. So the black owned section popping. Then these purses. Okay, these purses. Popping. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. So y'all, I'm in a really great mood because y'all know earlier in the week I told y'all I'm getting my new car today, so I'm super excited. It is 8:53 this morning. I have an appointment at 12 to actually go. I'm communicating with them right now about the express pickup, but anyways, so we have a few things we have a few things that we have to do. So this car that I'm currently in, which is my car that I got last year, this car is going to be my mother's. So I want to go get this car detailed, cleaned out inside and out, and then I want to get all of my stuff out of this car, and then so I can transport it over to my new car. So we're on our way to go ahead and get this car detailed really quick this morning. And then when we leave there, I have a pickup order for Target. I know I went to Target last night, but I saw a cute like trench overcoat, and they didn't have it in my size, but they had it in my size at another Target that was like a little bit ways for me. So I went ahead and placed the order so that they wouldn't go ahead and sell out, because they said they only had 2 left. So I went ahead and placed my order, and I'm gonna just go pick that up today. So, yay! Today is the day. I'm so excited, guys. So yeah, let me go ahead and start doing everything that I need to do so that we can be on time and everything can go as planned. Okay, y'all, so there has been a change in plans. I'm gonna tell y'all about it when we get out of here. But CarMax, count your fucking days.
No, you don't. Don't do that. Don't listen to her.
I'm back at the Nissan place where I got my last 2 cars because, like I said, there was a change in plans. So, yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, guys, so we are in one of the dealership cars. This is not the car that I'm getting, but we had to ride to another dealership that's owned by the dealership to get the car that I'm going to be getting. So say hello, Mom.
Hi.
So this is actually, I had this car before, the Altima. It's bringing back memories, child. It's bringing back memories. Anyways, okay. Get my thoughts together. I'm excited, but I'm nervous, but I'm scared. But it's just that, I don't know. Okay, I'll be back once we have an update. Ooh, Mama, I see it. Okay, so quick update. We are now in financing. About to seal the deal. Oh, okay. A lot of things have gone not according to plan today, but luckily I am leaving with a new car, a car that I am absolutely in love with. I know I said this a lot of other times, but I'm absolutely in love with this car. Y'all will see it. You like it, Mom?
I love it. It's very nice. It's a blessing from the Lord, and we appreciate it.
Yes. Okay. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am finally home after a very long, eventful Saturday. I did not come back and tell y'all I did get the car. And y'all, I am in love with it. I'm not gonna show y'all it in this video. I'm actually gonna do a car tour and I'm gonna post that on Wednesday. So this is going up tomorrow, which is Sunday. But before I end the vlog, I do want to show y'all some of the car accessories that I ordered online off Amazon. Okay, so first up are these super cute coasters. Now, when I ordered these coasters, I got them in the mind that I was getting the car that I showed you guys in this video. But they match even better with the car that I actually got. They're just leopard print. It has the cork on the bottom for the grip. And guys, these are so cute. So you just put them in your cup holder and you just keep moving. Super cute, super cute. Love these. Next up, I have this super cute keychain. So it has a little wallet for you to put your driver's license, all of your cards. You could put some money in here, or just whatever you need to put in here. And then there's also cards holders on the back. And then I love to put my keys around my wrist while I'm out shopping or just running errands. So I really like that, and has a cute little tassel. So I'm going to be transferring all of my stuff over to this tonight before I go to bed. And then lastly, this one is so pretty, but it doesn't match my car. I bought it for the other car and don't match the one that I got. So it's an evil eye charm or tassel to go around the, you know, the mirror at the top. So freaking pretty. I still might put it up for the time being, but I'm gonna get on Amazon and look for something that matches the car. I just love this. I love anything evil eye. So yeah.
mind.